Well, we back with another vlog. Today we're going to Sauce Caribbean. You know, had to get my hair done. You guys know who's the best hairstylist in Edmonton. I say it all the time. Yeah. Anyways, her link will be in the description. So it's this new Caribbean style restaurant. Never been there. I'm gonna go try the food with my homegirl Sherelle. So.
Fries right here. Okay. So cassava fries, codfish cakes, and cuckoo sticks.
Okay, so first we have the cuckoo stick, and then we have, what's this?
These are the codfish cakes.
Codfish cakes, and then we have the cassava fries. So tell the people who you are.
What's going on, peoples? My name is Sherelle, but I go by Raleigh's. And who are you, sir? You think the people know you?
Hot. No, I mean, I go by Slim. So these are what?
Those are the cuckoo sticks. So the reason why they call that cuckoo sticks because in the islands, when you're making the turncoat meal or the cuckoo, they have a big kind of stick that they mix it with. So these are to emblem that feature.
So fun fact, I don't like turncoat meal, but
thumbs down.
But this tastes good though. It's different.
Your mind is still taking you there, isn't it?
No, because in Jamaica, like, I don't eat turncoat meal, but it's good. I gave it a 6 out of 10.
Did you try the sauce?
Yeah. Go try it. It's salty though. Yeah. But I never had turncoat meal that's like hard. It's like deep fried.
I like it. The sauce has a nice ring to it. And that's hence the name. That's the reason why this place is called Sauce, because they're known for their specialty sauce, such as homemade recipes. We're drinking mango mocktail.
Mango mocktail?
Stick.
There's no liquor, because I don't drink liquor. I don't know. Tastes okay. I guess everything tastes better when it has liquor in it.
Yes, that normally has Mount Gay, which is from Barbados, in it, and some Chardonnay, so that's what's missing, the bubbly.
So this is from Barbados?
Inspired.
Oh, inspired. This one. What is this called?
Those are the codfish cakes.
Codfish cakes. See?
In the sauce, it's a tamarind sauce. That should be really sweet and nice.
Tamarind sauce. Never had that. Let's try it. This is spicy. It tastes like
You talk about the sauce is spicy or the product?
Well, the sauce is spicy. It tastes like Jamaican fritters. I think it's the same thing.
Yeah. But you guys, this is what you do it more flat.
Yeah, it's more flat.
Yeah.
That's good.
I like how you can see the seasoning inside. I know in Barbados, we call ours fish cakes, and the fact that you can see the seasoning is a big deal. When you can't see that, you just kind of question what's inside.
Yeah, try it.
greasy. I like that.
Yeah, it's not greasy. Yo, these are 10 out of 10 for sure.
Yeah, that does have a kick. You're right.
Yeah, has a little kick to it. So now we have the cassava fries. What kind of sauce is this?
You know what? That's a good question.
I don't know what kind of sauce.
Habanero.
Habanero?
Another spice coming up.
It has like a fishy taste to it.
Like almost like a tartar?
Yeah. That's different. I don't really like the sauce, but the cassava is good. Yeah.
Same. I think when I first taste the sauce, it reminds me of tartar. And then it goes into ranch and then spice.
Yeah, it does taste like ranch. So the appetizers, I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
I like the presentation.
The presentation slaps.
The what, right?
It slaps.
That's what the children say.
Children say. So right now we got that stewed chicken with macaroni pie. What's it called? Yeah.
Macaroni pie, yeah.
Macaroni pie and
Your favorite, green beans.
green beans. I don't like green beans, so I just personally think it's not good. What do you get?
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you cuckoo, foxtail, and green beans. Now back home in Barbados, usually cuckoo is served with flying fish or saltfish, but this is going to be a different experience for me.
So cuckoo is called turned cornmeal in Jamaica, and turned cornmeal is yellow, and this is green.
Yes.
Never seen that.
Now I told him that ours is usually infused with okras in it, so that's what makes that green loveliness. You go first on your chicken and see what's going on in the chicken. That's my favorite combination.
I don't think you can go wrong with macaroni pie and oven baked
Nice sauce.
chicken. Yeah, this is a 10 out of 10 for sure.
And I'm gonna try this cuckoo. Now you did mention before that you wasn't wondering why it looked like this, and I said to you that usually torn cornmeal, aka cuckoo, is smooth. It's supposed to be smooth. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice.
She says it's good.
I have a corner piece here for you.
Huh?
Yeah, it's very
Yo, this chicken slaps. I haven't had a macaroni pie in a long time.
So this is good. It stayed really well. It stayed good height.
And you get a lot of food. So,
Very true. This oxtail is like well seasoned. Again, the name sauce. Your food is never dry here.
so for me overall, I give it 10 out of 10. Food's good.
What do you think about the ambiance?
And here's nice. It doesn't look like a Caribbean restaurant, but I don't think Caribbean restaurants should have this look that they should always have. Yeah. So yeah, the staff is good. It's very clean, very clean in there. A lot of you guys know what I'm talking about when I say it's very clean. I'm just saying.
Yeah, I've seen some of your videos before. Some of the locations is suspect.
All right.
Did you try the beans yet? I'm waiting for you to try beans.
I don't eat beans. Nope.
But you're not having the whole experience if you just don't try one.
I don't like how it tastes.
Really?
I don't like how it tastes.
Wow. Okay, I saved you a corner piece.
Let's try this.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys are watching.
See, this is green. That's definitely a no for me.
What? So quick? No, man, so quick.
No.
Anyhow, that's a whole new world for him.
No, I'm good. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment, share. And you guys are gonna come check out Sauce. You know what I mean?
That's right, Sauce Modern Cuisine.
In my opinion, Sauce is the #1 leading restaurant for Caribbean food in the city of Edmonton. I said what I said. And when you guys come down and eat the food, you guys understand why I said that.